2003 Ford Explorer 4.0 overheats. So the first thing we do is, of course, check. And I had no antifreeze in it. So I put some antifreeze in it. And we're going to pressure test it. Visually, you don't see any leaks. I changed the thermostat housing at one point, right there. But it overheated. So visually, you look around, you don't really see anything. There is a stain on the hose here, ratted hose, you can see, but you don't see a physical drip. Running for about an hour and a half, and nothing comes out. I noticed that the hose is not building up any pressure, so it's definitely leaking from somewhere, but not physically leaking. All right, so we're going to pressure test it. I'm gonna hold on. All right, the pressure cap says it's 16 psi. So I'm gonna pump this up between 15 and 16. I'm gonna check to see if it leaks. You can rent the tool from AutoZone. They'll charge you on your card, and then you get the money back when you return the tool. I just had to go to AutoZone to rent this adapter. It's the only thing I don't have. So, you look around and you still don't see a leak. But yet, pressure's dropping. See it? Very slowly. It was originally between that 15 and the 16 mark. 15 and 17 mark. See, so it's slowly dropping. So I'm going to double check that lower radiator hose area because I suspect that. Let's go underneath and take a look. There you go. Look at that. It's coming out of the water pump. Coming down that hose. That's why there was a stain over there. Okay, let's see if I can get a little closer look at the water pump area for you guys. See it right there? That little bottom bolt there. That's where it's coming out of. Okay, so it's time for a water pump. So at the water pump, while you're at it, lower hose, and there's also a little heater hose that's attached to a heater control valve over there. All right, that's it. Enjoy. Have fun.